Weekly horoscope, week commencing 18th October till 24th of October. The preview, preview. Preview is a in which we only share one part out of all the 6 parts of the premium content. Preview is we only share the conclusion part 1. In premium content, we have transits for this coming week, transit of moon, the impact of moon's transit on you, what are the results, conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, the task precautions and chanting. Precautions you need, task you need it to balance the astrological equation if you want to. Precaution what you shouldn't do, and the chanting how you can boost yourself up spiritually. All the elements are there in the premium content, but if you want to, then you can visit my website prakashastrologer.com and acquire the premium content from my website. These weekly horoscopes or the monthly horoscopes, even the yearly horoscopes which I produce, these are applied horoscopes. They are fully applicable, and a lot of information is given to you. You can change or maneuver the astrological equation if you want to for your benefit, and a lot of things is given to share with you. You can take advantage of that. These particular horoscope, weekly horoscope, if something is important coming in the coming week, and like as a job interview or legal case court date or any particular important meeting, and you want to see that what the best you can do, or presentation, or the particular event of the week, you want things go smoothly, whatever the help you can take it astrologically as given in this particular weekly horoscope. But the premium content we share the whole, but the preview we only share the part. But in this preview as well, you have to watch the video till the end, because in the last part of we call supporting statement for each and every sign, which is individual according to your weekly horoscope, individual horoscope for each and every sign. So we define the equation and try to explain to you what is what. But the end of the day is your choice. My weekly horoscopes are applied horoscopes. If you are concerned about the coming week and you need some sort of a support, guidance or help, and you want to maneuver your astrological equation, then these are horoscopes are for you. How important is the coming week for you, and what are the important events happening, which at what stage you are in your life, at what moment you are in, and what you want to achieve. So it's all depend on you. There is purely applied astrology weekly horoscopes. So if you want to apply and use the application of astrology and maneuver the equation and achieve the benefit, and if you want to do that, it's entirely up to you. It's all depend on, this is not wishy-washy kind of horoscope. This will happen, this will explain to you what is what. More magnifying as much we can for the complete information for the coming week. So best of luck for all of you. But kindly watch the whole video till the end. Weekly forecast. Week commencing 18th October till 24th of October. Scorpio. Scorpio in this coming week. This is the coming week for you. Rahu's position 7th house. Watch your marriage relationship, watch your romantic relationship, watch your business partnership, behavior of cheating, deception, fraud. Watch your financial losses. Be careful, please. Venus Ketu Lagna. Look after your conduct. If you're in a romantic relationship, beware of any kind of a scandalous relationship around you, please. Be careful. Sun position 12th house. Beware of fine, penalty, punishment, please. Watch your investment or speculation. Mars, Mercury in 11th house. There are a lot of equations developed regarding income resources or financial opportunities, but you have to be very careful when you're making your choices. Saturn, Jupiter in 3rd house. Watch your communication with the world around you. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. That will define your moon's transit effect. That will define your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Our extensive weekly horoscope report defines you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need. What precautions you must implement to save your skin. What sacred chanting you must exercise in the whole coming week to to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Scorpio. Conclusion part 1, Scorpio. In this coming week, your official task will be completed and done and dusted. Most of your efforts will be rewarded. You'll make a lots of professional planning to rise to achieve. You'll make a lots of significant changes in your working style, in your working planning, in your projects, in your venture into ideas which will bring the best reward for you. You'll have to recreate, or may I say, create a significant change in your working style, change of working style. You will be developing a lot of professional contacts which will give you financial backing, prosperous opportunities and opportunity for the future. There will be lots of running around, lot of hustle and bustle. There will be lots of expenditure. Sometimes you can be annoyed, sometimes you can be upset, sometimes you can be very much disappointed.